Sabiti Said, AA19053. So in this video, we will present to you our project of exercise 3, modeling of electrical plane drawing and single line diagram using AutoCAD software. So this is our this is my group members, Shahrul, Nizam, SABRIE, and SULAIMAN, MOHAMED, KAMALUDin. So this is the table of contents of our project report. So we move the background of the project. So as we know, this project aims to model electrical plans and SLD for diverse engineering projects lah. So we can address the difficulties that electrical engineers face and designers when generate the electrical plans, and then a floor plan and single line diagram also are required for any electrical design for a house in this world. All over the world must have this floor plan, so easy to see the house layout. And then we move to just go to the scope of the project. We have 3 AutoCAD software was used to design floor plan and SLD lah. Phase power of the household cable rating will be determined by calculating the total maximum current and total estimated current by considering the diversity factor. And then number 3 is design this complete floor plan must match the requirement of this laboratory instruction lah, such as kitchen, dining hall, living hall, and then port, something like that lah. And then cable size also will be calculated based on the current value that we have. And then for the objective for the project, we have 3. First, to identify and understand the interface of AutoCAD software properly, and then calculate the size of consumer unit, main switch, RCCB, main cables that we will use in this design, compute the maximum current, estimated current, and then develop the floor plan and single diagram using AutoCAD software. So we move to literature review.
For the literature review, it will provide an overview of the process involved in creating an electrical plan for the building. The first step will involve in designing the floor layout or the floor plan of the house. Then will be followed by identifying the electrical components involved and also determining the electrical load on the house. The electrical plan is then designed adhering to all the regulations and standards involved. Once the design is complete, every symbol in the plan will have the legends and also the indications. And a single line diagram will be required for every electrical design plan. This is where the use of AutoCAD software is recommended to ensure a more sophisticated and also a more systematic floor plan and a single line diagram provided. Overall, a well-designed electrical plan is essential to ensure the safety and also the functionality of the electrical system in a house. That is all. Thank you.
So we move to the methodology. So firstly, understand the laboratory instruction lah, and then we find the information from the previous project during the literature review, and then install AutoCAD software with a proper way to prevent any virus, and then design the floor plan based on the requirement given, calculate the load used by considering the maximum current and the diversity factor, and determine the size of MCB, RCCB, and cable based on the load calculation that we have do lah. And then draw the single line diagram. Since we have we know the size of MCB, RCCB, and cable sizing, so you can draw the single line diagram, and then after that we can compile the report and do this video presentation lah. So this is the workflow for a process of the project. Okay, next, this is the floor plan that we have designed. This is the latest design lah, based on the lecturers' comments and opinion. We have made some improvement in our design. Before this, there are no windows, but now we put 3 windows, one at the kitchen, bedroom, and living room. So in this design we have one porch, 2 bedroom, kitchen, dining hall, reading room, 2 toilet and living room. And then for every bedroom we have 1 ceiling fan, 2 fluorescent lamp and 2 socket outlet. For the bedroom 1 and 2, you can see here share the toilet. So the toilet we put the two-way switch, so when person in the bedroom 2 want to open the toilet, it can open the switch there, and same goes at the bedroom 1. If the person want to open the light in the toilet, just open in her room je lah. And then for the smoke detector, we have put it here. Before this we just put it at the dining hall here. So for the another improvement, the air conditioner. Before this we put 1 horsepower I think, but now we put 2 horsepower, so it more suitable in this living room lah. And then this is the legend that we use. We put the electrical symbol that follow the standardized standard symbol lah. And then as you can see here, the orange color is the door, and then the green color is the wiring line in this floor plan. Okay.
So this is the part for our SLA drawings, where the power will come in from the supply and will go through the meter and then enter the main switch. And from the main switch there will be 2 parts. The first one is where they have the 16 amps for the ceiling fans, globe lamps, filament lamps, smoke detector and fluorescent lamp. And then have the 20 amps of circuit breaker, 1 chandelier lamp, globe lamp, air conditioner and also a water heater. And then we also have the 20 amps and 32 amps circuit breaker for the 13 amp socket. Next is for the load calculation. From the floor plan, we found that we will have 14 total of electrical appliances, consists of the fluorescent lamp, chandelier with a dimmer, globe lamp, wall globe lamp, ceiling fan with a regulator, smoke detector, filament lamp, 13 amp socket outlet, air conditioner 1 horsepower, air conditioner 2 horsepower, water heater, telephone socket outlet, and also the main distribution box. And from the table, we provided the quantity of the electrical appliances involved, and also we have calculated the load for the power, max current, diversity factor, estimation current, and also the cable size needed for each appliances. And for the max current, how to find it is the quantity of the electrical appliances times by power, and then you will get the answer for the max current. Estimation current is the diversity factor and also times by the max current. And from the current estimation, we can find out how much the thickness of the cable size needed. And the total estimation current for lot of calculation of this house is 44.55 amp, and the maximum current is 58.99 amp. The size of MCB needed is 50 amp. The size of RCCB lighting that will be needed is 100 milliamps. For the RCCB power is 40 milliamps. That is all. Thank you.